Children are pretty amazing to watch.
I could do things as a child that I can't do now that I'm older.
I can still get around, but I can't get around like I used to.
My mind feels young, but my body doesn't seem to agree.
I'm a little worried about getting old.
What causes aging? Scientists have recently discovered substances in the body that are key factors in the aging process. They are called advanced glycation end products, or AGEs. They develop in the body from the food and drink we consume every day. The body has a natural defense mechanism to protect itself from the damaging effects of AGEs. But over time, too many AGEs build up in the body. This is one of the reasons your muscles aren't as flexible and agile as they used to be. AGEs also build up in the skin, leading to wrinkles. Aging isn't just about wrinkles. Wrinkles won't kill you, but AGE accumulation in your body's organs can. Having low levels of AGEs will help promote a healthy heart, improve brain function, protect the skin from aging, maintain digestive health, enhance eye acuity, as well as protect and enhance kidney and liver health. Keeping your AGEs in check will help you live a more vibrant, youthful life.
As you get older, have you ever wondered why you have less and less energy and begin to ache more and more? The answer, in part, is not age, but AGEs, or advanced glycation end products. AGEs are harmful compounds in the body that form when protein and excess sugar bind. AGEs not only contribute to the process of aging, but also to many other health issues that we experience. AGEs are part of life, and our body has ways to naturally defend against and dispose of these harmful compounds. Problems happen when we get a little crazy and overload the body with more than it can handle. It's a little like a bathtub. If you turn on the water and the pipes are clogged, the tub fills up. AGE levels are the same. If you're consuming AGEs faster than your body can dispose of them, then they overwhelm your body and can lead to some serious damage, both inside and out. AGEs are one of the causes for our aging. These harmful compounds can affect arteries, making them stiff and rigid. They can also cause wrinkles, damage tissue, or lead to even more serious issues. In fact, AGEs have been shown to play a key role in the development of several chronic diseases, like vision impairment, diabetes, heart disease, Alzheimer's, and kidney damage. Many of these issues are not only influenced by AGEs, but they actually cause AGE levels to increase. Now, AGEs are formed two different ways, internally and externally. AGEs are formed internally when we have excess sugar in our system. Our bodies naturally pair these sugars up with proteins, which then combine to form AGEs. The more processed, overcooked, and sugary foods we consume, the more AGEs our body creates.
AGEs are formed through two distinctive pathways. One is the classic pathway of glycation or Maillard reaction, and the other is the newly identified oxidative pathway. The glycation mechanism typically occurs when there is an elevated sugar level. The increase of glucose inside the body will result in a non-enzymatic chemical reaction between sugar and proteins. In the beginning, this is a reversible process, and several intermediate products could be formed within hours, days, or even weeks. However, in the end, when the advanced glycation end products have been formed for several weeks, this process becomes irreversible. The newly formed AGEs can further cross-link with proteins and will remain in the tissues for years. The oxidative pathway occurs in the presence of oxidative stress or excessive reactive oxygen species. These highly reactive oxygen species can quickly become reactive dicarbonyl components, which will react rapidly with proteins, lipids, and DNA to form AGEs within an hour. AGEs affect nearly every type of cell and molecule in the body, and can cause long-term damage to the tissues due to their irreversible formation and extremely long half-lives. The excess accumulation of AGEs will lead to faster aging and may accelerate the onset of many age-related diseases such as diabetes, renal failure, atherosclerosis, and Alzheimer's disease. In particular, AGEs play a pivotal role in the cardiovascular complications of diabetes and renal failure. In diabetic patients, the rise in sugar level will generally lead to an abnormal accumulation of AGEs. The excess of AGEs will accelerate the development of cardiovascular complications through the initiation of a wide range of abnormal responses in cells and tissues, such as inappropriate expression of growth factors, alteration of growth dynamics, accumulation of extracellular matrices, promotion of vasoregulatory dysfunction, and initiation of death pathways. In renal failure patients, chronic inflammation will create high levels of oxidative stress, which will lead to rapid AGE formation. Meanwhile, the ability to eliminate degraded AGEs is compromised due to kidney failure. As a result, patients are at risk for the consequential onset of cardiovascular comorbidity and mortality. Advanced glycation end products, or AGEs, result from a chain of chemical reactions which leads to the irreversible alteration of both matrix proteins through the mechanism of non-enzymatic glycation and oxidation. AGEs are believed to play a causative role in aging and age-related chronic diseases. The accumulation of AGEs in long-lived tissues can lead to vascular disease, cardiopathy, neuropathy, nephropathy, retinopathy and cataract, arthrosis.